Alright guys, so I wanted to go ahead and do an updated tour of my kitchen. I went ahead and just got rid of some stuff, took down some stuff. I really took down a lot more than I put up, honestly. I just needed to simplify it a little bit. If you guys follow me, I did say I was considering doing my cabinets this year, but after talking to the husband, we've decided that we're just going to wait till next year, and we're going to do the cabinets and the countertop all at the same time, and hopefully new appliances. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. I hope this gives you guys out there who don't have like these, you know, really amazing kitchens, huge updated kitchens, some hope. Because guys, I see some of the nicest kitchens on YouTube and Instagram. Like, I just want to cook in them because they look that great. But yeah, let me just show you what I'm working with here from my home. P.S. My home was built, I think, in like 1960, so I don't think this kitchen's ever been updated since. The lady who lived here before us, she was the original owner, and she painted those cabinets white. I don't know why, but she did. So thanks Bev for doing that. That was her name, by the way, Bev. Alright, so I went ahead on this wall is just my fork and spoon set. I like that. Leo doesn't like it. I think it's funny, so I'm gonna leave it. But yeah, so my kitchen is basically just this right here. A lot of people say, hey Danielle, knock down this wall. Hey guys, it's a supporting wall and it's gonna cost me like $5 grand. So that's not gonna happen. Just saying, but thanks for the input. So yeah, here we go. My countertop, that's my hair tie, sorry. But yeah, so my countertop, I just have, I'm looking for those stackable fruit and veggie baskets. Then I'm gonna get rid of this, but until then, that's gonna stay. And then I just have my paper towel holder, my sink, you know, because we gotta wash some dishes. But here is this wreath I got. I went ahead and picked this up from a thrift store, and I stuck that little metal sign in there that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I like it because it just brings a little pop of color into this kitchen. And then up here I just have this little light that I picked up at, what did I buy? Oh, I bought that at the flea market for $5. And then I made those burlap curtains. And there's my neighbor's house behind there. Everybody say hi to Judy, because that's her name as well. Putting all these people on blast. Right here I have my little, I bought this white little cake stand, and like everybody else on social media, I'm using it to hold my soaps and my sponge. So in that little soap container, I love it, and I got it from IKEA for like $2 and it works great. And then I have these little purple lilac fake flowers because I can keep those alive. And I bought that from Marshall's a few years ago. I actually found those in my bedroom, brought them out here. And then I found this Bolero hand soap. Sarah from Sensational Finds, if you guys do not watch her, you have to, because she's great. She always finds the best stuff at the Dollar Tree, and she always raves about this Bolero stuff. So when I seen that my Dollar Tree finally had it, I was like, I'm gonna pick it up. So it is the Moroccan mint and raspberry. It lathers super good, and it smells even better. So yeah, that's that little spot there. And if you go down this long countertop in this corner, I have this little stand. So that metal stand there, I found that at Michael's, and it was in the garden section, and it was 50% off, so I paid $6 for it. Yes, I paid $6 for that. And then there is just a Ray Dunn cup in there that I've had, and that little flower in there is from a thrift store. I got that for 50 cents. And my rooster is from Hobby Lobby, because, you know, every Chicago girl has to have a rooster in their kitchen. Am I right? And then right here I just have my, as you guys can see, bread basket. I've been really into chalk, guys. I'm sorry, but yeah. And then here we go. Here is my oven. And then I have my microwave right there. And then my spoon rest is a Ray Dunn spoon rest, and it says spoon on there. And then I have the same towels that I've had since last month, and it's just the Target ones that are the roses, and I don't know, they're bright and cheerful and I like them. Here is my refrigerator, and Yeah, I have kids and they're very artistic. So they make little signs. Rebecca's getting ready to start preschool, so she's been making her journals, her diary, she says. But if you guys can tell, she's learning how to write the letter R. If you guys can see, that's how she did it. So, I mean, you could tell it's an R. So, and there's her B for, you know, her name is Rebecca. So she's trying. I'm really proud of my girl. On top of the fridge, I just have like some of the snacks that I put out for the girls can't get a hold of them, and my self-rising flour and stuff. So on the top up here, I used to have those letters. I just moved, and I put these printouts that I have of these farm animals, and they're different, like if you were to cut them up, what part of the meat it would be. I dig it. My husband's a butcher, guys, so I think it's really funny. That's why I did it. And then right here above my sink, I have this Bless the Kitchen sign. I would have left that empty, but underneath there is an outlet. My mom said that back in the day, that houses used to have an outlet up there so they can plug in their clock. So that's literally telling you how old. I said, well, they didn't have battery operated clocks? And she's like, no, they didn't have battery operated clocks. My bad. And my ceiling fan that I have up here, because my house gets really warm, so I need it. And then right here, remember the spoons used to be right here. I went ahead and hung up this shelf. So the shelf is from Menards, along with those little brackets, and it's like the white color. I was gonna do like the wood and everything, and it was gonna cost a lot of money. And then I was gonna do like the metal iron brackets, and I was like, no, I'm not spending all that money. So I just went ahead and got this one. And the Yum sign is from Hobby Lobby. That cow thing, it's like a milk pour. I got that at a thrift store along with that chicken little one right there. And that's supposed to hold eggs, I guess. But I got that from the thrift store. And that Ray Dunn canister has my Kodiak pancake mix in there. And that green plant thing I've had forever. I found that in my basement. And then on the side, I just have these two roosters. Because, like I said, every Chicago girl needs a country kitchen. Alright, and then here is my coffee bar that I always feature. I'm really proud of this, guys. I know you guys are probably like, okay, Danielle, we get it. But me and my honey made this, and we're still married. So that's saying a lot. And then I really minimized a lot. So I just went ahead and I picked up these coffee and tea canisters. I got them on clearance for both of them. Were I think like $7. So, and this like coffee canister really holds a lot, like it holds a ton, whereas before I was like, okay, this doesn't hold anything. And obviously there's coffee in there, and there's tea inside the tea ones, and my Pioneer Woman salt and pepper shakers, my coffee that I was drinking, my scale because I'm on Weight Watchers and I measure everything, and my Black & Decker coffee maker, not a huge fan, my TEAMI tea that I just finished, and these are the syrups I use. I know you guys ask. They're all sugar-free, 0 points, and they're so good. Right now I have the vanilla and mocha. And I want to show you these coasters. So this is our initial for our last name. And I got these coasters. They're a 4-pack. I found them at Kirkland's on clearance for $3. And then here is my House Smiles diffuser. I really like it. I have diffusing this oil that I got at Walmart, and it's called Serenity, and I like it. And it was $5. I know it's probably like really bad, and everybody's gonna give me a lot of hate for that. Sorry guys, but you know, I'm on a budget. I can't afford all those expensive oils right now. Just saying. And then here is Leo's cast iron that he absolutely loves cooking with. He shined it up specifically for this video. And my stand mixer and my, I don't even know what that cast iron pot is, I guess, cast iron pot. But yeah. Like I said, here is just my overview of my little tiny kitchen, but it is mine, and I love it nonetheless. It does its job, feeds my family, and I think it looks dang cute for being a little tiny kitchen. So if you guys like these home tours, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And sorry for the kid in the background. Bye, and all that good stuff. And thank you guys for watching. Tell them bye, Becky.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
See you later.
Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.
So when the cookie crumbles